Georgia woman finds 17 baby snakes and their mom under bed. I may need a cardiologist after this. So she's saying she had a heart attack. I spotted what I thought was a piece of fuzz on the floor. I went to reach for it and it moved. Ooh.
So I don't blame her. After looking at this picture. Oh, there's no picture. Oh, there was a picture.
Yeah, at the top. There's a picture. Is it different than that one?
Yeah, it was supposed to be on carpet.
Oh, okay.
And the stakes look exactly like the carpet. You can't even tell.
So the carpet is like black?
Yeah, it was like black with yellow stripes from what I remember.
Oh, so they were camouflaged in there.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We've turned the bedroom upside down, found 17 babies and the mama. Are you you're very scared of snakes as well?
Not really. Oh, not particularly.
But at 17 at a time,
yeah,
you'd be like, hey,
slithering around.
Like, hey, that's a little much right there.
It's the volume.
I presume it's not a poisonous one, but for sure this would get some people going, especially around the bed. You're trying to sleep, and you don't want those pesky ones around there.
I think it might be in this video.
Okay, you can play a little bit of it because for sure the 6 ABC News clip is going to be. Oh, I see.
I mean, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, it's pretty camo.
Maybe if they're sleeping as well, they're not moving. It's like, whoa.
Wow.
So obviously they had to get it removed, but quite frightening.
Yeah, it's not the one you expect to find. Like as far as pests in the house, of course you got all kinds of bugs that can get in there, and then there's the trusty old mouse, and then sometimes if you have like a fireplace, you can get a bird or a bat or something like that. But snakes, it's curious how they got in there. Sometimes you would hear about like a large pet python that goes through the vent work or something like that,
or the toilet.
Do they come up the toilet too?
That's what I heard. There's some stories of it.
Yeah, but, so definitely unexpected. I think a lot of people wouldn't be too happy about that.
Yeah.
Still not confident. This was the last of those things. No sleep tonight. Just glad I saw that tiny piece of what I thought was fuzz and went to pick it up. Look at all the baby snakes in my bedroom. I am freaked out, she captioned.
Oh, yeah.